My name is Marc Sparber, and I'm the scheduling manager here at Durrani. I handle all of our appointment setting. All of our customers that call in, when they're calling in to schedule an appointment, our team actually handles that aspect. I worked at Durrani for 6 years this month, the first part of this month. I have a wife, her name is Melissa, and we've been married for 3 years. Well, I like to fish a lot. I have a buddy that I go fishing with a lot. We go bass fishing mostly, and we've been doing it for a long time. So we're decent. We're not pros, but we're pretty good. The best part to me is I guess the atmosphere. We have a really great kind of. It's a small business. It's a family business. So we actually have a good time. We're involved with each other's lives. So because we spend a lot of time here, so it's cool, fun thing, and it makes the work part not so bad. If I could travel anywhere in the world, I would go to several places first, but if I could afford it, I would go as many places as I could. The first place I would go would be Santorini in Greece, which is really cool because they think it might be where Atlantis was.
Is Atlantis real?
Yeah, some of the big things I picked up here at Durrani are customer service is a really big deal to me because it's part of my personal beliefs and philosophy with people in general is to make sure that people are respected and that they feel like that somebody listens to them. It's very, very important to listen first and really gauge what somebody is interested in, and also just even if it's them talking about their dog or the weather or whatever it is, it's very important to listen to somebody first. To me, customer service is the most important thing in any business because if you take care of people, if you take care of your customers, if you listen to them, you're going to be successful no matter what.